Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, welcome to my anime demonstrate video. My name is Sipa Oktapiani. I am a college student of the State Polytechnic of Banjarmasin, majoring at Informatic Engineering. My register number is C03031911. As student of Informatic Engineering major, we need to know about making application easily. With us using Delphi 7, we can create application easily. Delphi is a Windows-based programming language that provides facilities for creating visual applications such as Visual Basic. Delphi has a special reference that is supported by a scope of Delphi component work to build an application using the Visual Component library. First, open the Delphi application, click File, New, and click Application. Second, after creating a new prompt, continue to design the login prompt. Add 4 labels, 2 edit, 1 checkbox, and 3 buttons. Next, we design the login prompt that we will create. To change the label name to a sentence, you can click on the item and change the caption. To change the type and color of the letters can be set in font. So eliminate the text edit to on the edit item by deleting the text in the text. Click additional and in games, then insert the feature as in the video. Change the color of the form, click the form, then select the desired color. Now, we make a form to display personal data. First, we fill in the program code for the checkbox. Double-click on the checkbox, so then fill in the following command code. And fill in the program code for the login button. The trick in double-click on the login button, then fill in the following command code. For the back button, you can use head or show. After that, we fill in the program code for the class button. Finally, type this program code to change letters to star. Now run the program by clicking Run on the menu bar or by pressing F9. And now the program can run well. This is how to create a simple form in Delphi 7. Using the Visual Basic language, you can learn more about Delphi through the internet, modules, and learning tutorial about Delphi. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.